Hello everyone, welcome back to another Sudoku. Today we're going to be looking at Joseph Marrow's first puzzle. Rules are simple. Two cells separated by an X must add up to 10. And two cells separated by a V must add up to 5. There is a negative constraint, so if two cells do not have an X or a V, they can't add up to 5 or 10. Cells along a thermometer must increase. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So since the 5 is given, there's only one way it could conclude logically. Just like that. The only ways of getting 5 are with 1, 4, and 2, 3, and this 1 is already being used. Also, 1 prohibits V from being in the square, so the V in this row must be in one of those spots. Couldn't be there because of the 6. Let's see, what else is going on here? We got 8s in a few spots. Forcing an 8 down there. 9 over here. 9 here would force a 1, but I can't really see a problem with that. Let me just highlight all the V's so I can see if there's something easy I can get. So that can't be 1, 4, so it's gotta be a 2, 3 pair. This can't be a 1. So that can't be a 4. Let's see, what else? Alright, these can't be 9, so since this can't be 9, that can't be a 1. So that's a 2, 3, which means this also has to be a 2, 3. Sorts the rest out nicely. Anyways, like I said before, these are clones because of the X clue. It's either 8 or 7 there. This has to be a big number because it's connected to that. This can't be 7, so that can't be 3. This can't be 2. Can't be a 1 because it's next to a 9, so these can't be 4s. Now this can't be 1. Wait, what? This can't be 1, so this can't be 4. I thought there was like V's between all of these, which wouldn't make any sense. This 2-3 pair means that the 2-3 over here must be in one of those spots, and if the 2 is here, then 3 gets forced to the side, same thing for the 3. So the 2 and the 3 must be over here, which means that that also must be 7 and 8. Which means this can't be 8. So that can't be 2. Hmm. Two, 3 pair. This can't be a 1 because of the 4s. Eight and 9 left. This can't be a 1 because the 9s are restricted to these spots. Right, this 2-3 pair means that this becomes a 1-4 pair. These X's can't be 1-9 or 2-8, so it must be six, 4, and 7, 3. Whew, now we got it. This can't be the 6-4 because of this 1-4 clue. So this is the 6-4. And this is the 7-3. And this 4 is pointing at this area, which forces 4-1. Nice. I have a 2 penciled next to an 8. This 7 is pointing at a 7-8 pair. Five in this row must be there, because it can't be an X or a V. 5 in this box must be here now. So we got 5 and 4 both here, because that can't be a 4. 7 can't be in this X, because it would force a 3, and we know this is a 2-3 pair. So this has to be the 7 in the row, which means this is 4, 5, 6, and the 5 must break up the 4 and the 6. Because if this is a 4, it forces a 6 out there. If that's a 6, it forces a 4 out. If this is a 4, then this can't be a 4. If this is a 6, it also can't be a 4. That's never a 4. Right, the 5 in this row must go here. And the reason I seem to be focusing on 5 more than other numbers is because 5s are sort of standouts in XV, because they tend to show up a lot. These 6s mean that the 6 must go here somewhere, so it must line up with a 4. That 4 is pointing down here. One can't go next to a 4 because of the XV rules. That's a 9 now. This has to be a 1, which makes this a 9. 2, 3 pair means the odd one out is a 7. Right, that's a 7 because it's attached to a 3. That 9 is pointing in the square. 9 here would force a 1 there, which would clash, so this... Actually, no, we got a couple spots where 9 would work. Ah, but a 9 here would force a 1, so that's gotta be the 9. This can't be a 4 now. This 1 sorts out this 1 4 pair. It's now 6 4, which finishes this off. These both can't be 4, it can't be 1 as well. It's gotta be a 2 3 pair. This is a 1 to finish that off, which makes this a 1, not a 9 to connect with it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's also an 8, which forces a 2 out. 8s are done now. Let's finish up the 2s. Three, which forces a 7. This needs a 6. Gotta be a 5, so that's gotta be a 5. This becomes a 6. Yep. 6 can't go there because it would force a 2. Because it would force a 4. You can tell how tired I am. This has to be 7, 3, and then we finish off that last 3, 7. So, I'm a little bit too tired to give great commentary, but a pretty solid puzzle, especially for a first-time setter. If you liked, be sure to like, and I'll see you on the next one, when hopefully I will be... Well, I mean, I want to say more awake, but when you solve a Sudoku, you're pretty awake. Although I do wonder if there's like... if anyone's ever sleep solved. I feel like the bounds of human potential have yet to be discovered. So it's possible that someone could do that. But solving Sudoku is definitely something that takes work. And it's fun, so you know. Yeah. End of video.